I need to try to thin out some limbs on my plum trees. Any help with which limbs to cut other than the ones I can reach? And this is from Miss Debbie. So what do you think about that, Mr. D?
Well, Miss Debbie, this is absolutely the worst time of the year to prune a plum tree. But if you can wait until the end of the winter, you know, February, March, then that is a really, really good time, and you can really take out a lot of limbs, especially if you haven't pruned that plum tree in the last several years. You can open up the center of the tree, limit it to 3 or 4, maybe 5 main scaffold limbs, take out any limbs that are crossing, take out any limbs that are growing back toward the center of the tree. Of course, take out any dead or damaged limbs. And personally, I would make sure that none of the limbs, none of that tree is over 8 feet tall.
Yeah.
That way,
That's a good point.
you won't have any trouble reaching the limbs next year. So if you've got a 2-foot long lopping shears, you know, you can work from the ground. I hate to work peach, plum, and nectarine trees from a ladder. I personally am going to work them from the ground. Now, apples and pears are different.
Right.